to your vlog.
Hi, I'm cooking.
Ano yung cooking?
I'm cooking avocado. Awesome. Hi.
Hindi nga, di napoy ni Cooper di ba?
Okay. So, may steam ka to. Mag-ano ka ng tubig?
Balutin lang ng sa tapiro. Lalagay ito.
What?
Yung anak,
That's munggo.
Can you cook the mungo?
No, di ba you eat munggo yesterday?
Why this one?
Yeah, it's chicken. There's a soy sauce that's why there.
I'm cooking.
Galing nga. Galing mo cooking nga.
I'm a chef garlic.
Your chef garlic.
Ako na.
Careful ah. Ano mo?
I can do it, boy. I can do it.
You can do it.
Ito naman.
Say hi to your vlog.
Hi, I'm cooking
I'm cooking. What are you cooking?
this.
What's that?
I don't know.
Apritada.
Avocado.
Say, I'm cooking apritada.
I'm cooking avocado.
What is your meat? It's a
Avocado.
chicken. And, okay, I'm gonna cook the carrot.
Yes. Oh, but the carrot.
What?
See?
See?
I got it.
You cut it?
Yes. Yep. See.
You put the potato next.
There. Asan?
Po?
Asan po?
Careful now.
Ako? Ako? At! Ipitik me.
Ipitik you?
Yes. Ipitik me again.
Sige, be careful. Careful lang ha, it might hurt.
Ganyan eh.
Not more.
More, more, more. More po, just more.
Ganyan.
Ako.
Oh, mami na lang.
Ako. Ako.
Ayan, hawak mo din. Not, oops.
May that ba yan?
No, it's not. It's tomato sauce. Ano?
Kambing. Where's the kambing?
No, we're not cooking kambing. We're cooking
Kay Manda.
apretadang manok.
Take chicken manok.
Chicken manok.
Tagat ko.
Oh, you put water in the chicken. Careful.
What is that? It's not sunog.
It's not. You wait to boil and then you put the carrots and the
It's not boiling.
what? You wanna taste it now?
Yes.
But you cook pa yun.
Cook na.
taste it? You have to blow ah. Blow mo. Is it approved?
Yes.
It's okay?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
Paano? Oh, don't put your face. Paano? Is it approved?
Yes.
Like this? Put the carrots na. Careful ha.
Sa chicken. Or put the potato. Put the potato. Put the potato po.
Wait mo po. Put the bell pepper.
Ay! Ay ko bell pepper! Ha? Ay? Sabi ko was bell pepper.
Po.
Ayaw ko bell pepper.
Po.
Tanggalin.
No, that's masarap anak.
No! Tanggal na spicy.
And put the potato.
Oh!
Careful. Meron pa. Meron pa. One more.
Stuck.
Stop.
Yes. How about the water? Water muna.
Little bit of water.
Yes. Can I have a little bit? Please.
Wait lang po.
Okay.
Put a little bit of water.
Yes.
Careful. Sabi ko careful.
I'm sorry. You don't give me na. You don't give me na. Okay. Amen.
Oh, ito. What does it taste? Is it masarap?
Yes.
Are you a good chef?
Yes.
No, later na. Are you a good chef? Oh, mainit, anak. Sige, mainit. Mainit. Sige, blow mo. Careful. Sarap.
Yes.
Akin na, hindi pa luto. Making it boil muna and then we wait, okay? You have to wait a little bit.
Can I drink this?
Not yet cooked pa. Not yet cooked. Later na. You wanna taste again?
Yes.
Oh, taste again. A little bit
The
lang.
big one.
No, little bit lang.
Big one.
Ano po?
Big one po. The big one.
When you're tasting, not many, a little bit lang.
No.
Po. Oh, sarap.
Ano? Ayaw ko to.
Are you like patatas and carrots lang?
Ayaw ko to.
Okay.
Don't this one. This one.
What's that? The legs? What? The legs? As a sad girl. What does it taste? Apritada. Don't put us in your damit. How about the carrots? You eat na yung carrots.
The one.
Later ka na mag-wipes. Eat mo na your carrots. Is it a thumbs up?
Yes. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
What?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Say bye-bye to your vlog.
Bye-bye, vlogger.
I'm gonna eat.
I'm gonna eat. Ay.